Hey there YouTube family. Today, we're diving into the world of effective communication with How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. If you've ever found yourself struggling in social situations or looking to up your communication game, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unpack the key insights from this book and learn how to master the art of conversation. Alright, let's jump into the essence of How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. This book is a treasure trove of practical tips and strategies to navigate social interactions with confidence and finesse. Lowndes breaks down the art of conversation into easily digestible techniques, offering insights on everything from body language to mastering small talk. The book is a guide for both introverts and extroverts, providing valuable tools to connect with others effortlessly. One of the key takeaways is the importance of nonverbal communication. How to Talk to Anyone explores the subtle cues that can make or break a conversation. From maintaining eye contact to understanding the power of a genuine smile, Lowndes gives us the tools to project warmth and approachability. The book also covers the art of listening, a skill often underestimated. Lowndes emphasizes the impact of active listening on building rapport and fostering meaningful connections. Whether in a business setting or a social gathering, the ability to truly listen is a game changer. Beyond that, How to Talk to Anyone provides tips on gracefully exiting conversations, dealing with difficult people, and even boosting your charisma. It's a comprehensive guide to social success in various contexts. To wrap it up, How to Talk to Anyone is like a masterclass in effective communication. Leil Lowndes shares practical advice that you can implement immediately to enhance your social skills. If you're ready to transform your interactions and leave a lasting impression, this book is a must-read. If you've already explored How to Talk to Anyone, let us know your favorite tips in the comments. If not, consider adding it to your reading list. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful summaries, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy conversing, and remember, every interaction is an opportunity to enhance your communication skills. Stay awesome.